Hey, Alex, you look kinda different today. Like you just won the lottery, but you're trying so hard to play the I'm totally normal, don't stare role.
Different how? More handsome, or suddenly max level mature?
Yeah, like you just hit the jackpot, but you're still pretending you're stressed about paying the bank back and your $2 coffee.
Busted. Huh.
Wait, for real? You actually won the lottery? Spill it. I want my cut.
Nah, but the feeling is 100 times better than winning the lottery. It's a high that doesn't even need coffee.
Sounds dangerous. Tell me right now, or I'm gonna make up a whole 2-0 episode drama with a plot twist.
Alright, I think. I don't feel lonely anymore.
Whoa, that's even crazier than winning the lottery. I thought you were the Lord of Solitude.
I know. I used to think I'd stay in premium VIP loneliness mode for life.
You were the king of self-isolation. Text replies after 3 hours. Coffee invites met with, let me check my schedule. Schedule completely empty but still politely rejected. Like, I'm busy contemplating existence.
Don't expose me that hard. I still have some dignity left.
So, what changed? Or did you finally get a girlfriend and go from solo to duo overnight?
Nope. Still single and devastatingly handsome. No one's claimed me yet.
Yeah, drop the devastatingly handsome part so the rest of humanity doesn't feel attacked.
I'm serious. It's not because someone special showed up. It's that I've started feeling more comfortable around people in general.
Sounds like you just updated to Human 2.0, no lag edition.
Maybe. I used to think I needed one person who understood me completely before the loneliness would go away.
And now?
Now I realize conversations like this are enough to make my heart feel light, like I just dropped 10 kilos of emotions.
Hey, don't hit me with sudden feels like that. I didn't bring tissues.
I'm being serious.
So it's thanks to me, right? Say it. I want the official compliment.
A huge part. But don't start bragging yet. There are a few other mysterious factors too, like surprise cameos.
Wait, I thought I was the main character. Why am I getting demoted?
You're the female lead. In the times I force myself to go out for coffee. Force myself, yeah.
Force yourself? I clearly remember you were the one who texted, wanna grab coffee? First. Or did a ghost make you do it?
Well, I forced myself a little to get used to it, like emotional gym training.
Oh my god, this sounds like a heavy Korean inner monologue drama with sad background music.
But the ending turned out surprisingly happy, like a cheap happy ending.
So, what was the exact moment you realized you weren't lonely anymore?
The other day I was sitting alone, like always.
That sounds super familiar, like a recurring scene in the Alex's Life series.
But this time, I didn't feel empty. I just felt strangely peaceful, like my battery was at 100%.
That actually sounds really mature. I thought you were still in beta mode.
Then I remembered our random chats, those silly messages. And suddenly I felt complete, like nothing was missing.
Wait, silly messages? I send top-tier memes with hilarious captions, okay?
Yeah, the one with the cat wearing a banana hat was super premium quality, Nobel Prize for memes material.
You laughed. Don't deny it, I saw the like.
I'm not denying it. Honestly, those tiny things made me feel genuinely connected, like Bluetooth pairing itself.
Sounds like you just discovered basic human joy. Congratulations, you leveled up.
I guess I was a little slow, like a turtle, but I still crossed the finish line.
That's fine. As long as you made it, it's all good. Better than standing still.
Don't you find it weird? A guy who used to love being alone like me.
Not at all. Liking to be alone is totally different from feeling lonely. The second one is a bug, the first one is a feature.
Oh yeah, that's deep. You should start a counseling channel.
I just watch a lot of TikTok, psychology in 60 seconds.
Which video?
7 signs you're growing up without realizing it. Cute background music too.
How many signs did I hit?
At least 2.8. Clear progress, but still a bit clueless. Like, update 80% complete.
Thanks for that extremely refined constructive criticism. I'll take note.
No problem. That's what friends are for.
That sentence right there made me realize the most. It sounds so warm.
Huh? It's just normal, right? Why did it suddenly turn philosophical?
Before, I never thought I could say something like that so naturally.
And now?
Now, I feel like it's completely true, straight from the heart.
Hey, you're turning today's coffee into an unexpectedly touching movie. I almost cried.
Want me to switch back to dry as a rock mode? Just say the word and I'm out.
No way. Let me enjoy this rare moment first. Rare as winning the lottery.
That rare?
Yep. Normally, you only reply with, uh-huh, okay, whatever, like a phone on 1% battery.
I'm trying to improve here. Stop roasting me.
Good. Keep this energy forever. I'm 200% supportive.
What about you? Any good news?
Yep, big news.
Tell me.
I don't feel lonely anymore either.
For real? Same wavelength.
Yeah.
Thanks to who?
Thanks to a guy who pretends to be cold but actually notices every little thing like an emotional detective.
Sounds familiar.
Someone who used to hate talking, now sitting here chatting like he's filming a daily vlog with a fun filter.
Hey, don't turn me into your content. I don't want to go viral.
Too late. You've been on air for a while, and the views are huge.
So, we both escaped loneliness together, huh? Teamwork makes the dream work.
Looks like it. Achievement unlocked, no longer lost in the universe. Reward, pride.
What's the reward?
Another coffee. You're paying,
Knew it. It's always me.
but it's worth it, right? Investing in friendship.
Yeah, totally worth it. High interest rate.
After all that deep talk, let's get back to harsh reality before I actually cry from the feels.
Reality is always that gentle slap after the soaring philosophy, like, hello, I'm your deadline.
How's your week going?
One word, chaos.
2 words. Mild chaos or zombie apocalypse level chaos.
Controlled chaos. I'm still steering, even if my hands are shaking.
Sounds like you're trying to act mentally stable, like, I'm fine, don't worry.
No, I really am fine. The assignments are the ones trying to kill me.
Ah, finally the confession. I've been waiting for that.
Every subject dumped a pile of work, like the teachers secretly met and agreed. This week we destroy the students, no mercy.
I bet they have their own group chat with a super cool name.
Group name, deadline, is true love.
Profile picture, a messy pile of undone homework, abstract art style.
Group description, the more stress, the faster you grow up. Like and share.
That's so believable it's scary. I want to report that group.
What about you? Is your school week any easier?
Nope, but I chose to just stop breathing entirely, like a dolphin diving.
Revolutionary solution. Genius.
Actually, I break tasks into small pieces.
Ah, the classic trick your brain move. My brain falls for it all the time.
Exactly, I tell myself. Just 10 minutes.
Then what?
10 minutes later, I rest another 40 minutes to recharge. Super long break.
You're destroying my faith in time management. I thought you were a pro.
But at least I started. Starting is 50% of success.
Yeah, starting is the hardest part. The rest is procrastination.
What about you? What's your study method?
I stare at the assignment until it feels hypnotized.
And then,
Then I hope it solves itself by magic or someone hacks its brain.
wow, top tier spiritual strategy. I'm stealing that.
Sometimes it actually works.
When?
When I copy from my friend, magic happens instantly.
All right, back to reality. Stop dreaming.
Actually, this week, I tried changing things up.
Sounds suspicious. You sure you're not sick?
I tried starting my work a bit earlier than the deadline.
Are you okay? Got a fever? Or did an AI replace you?
I'm surprised at myself too. Like, who is this guy?
How did it go?
I gained extra time to procrastinate in a more luxurious and comfortable way. 5-star procrastination.
Oh my god, you turned being diligent into advanced procrastination. Talent.
It's the art of living. I call it procrastination level expert.
No, that's a rare talent. I should learn from you.
But honestly, I feel way less stressed. My brain feels lighter.
That's good then. Progress.
Do you ever study and your brain just switches to random thoughts mode?
All the time. My brain is a pro at that.
Example?
Studying math, suddenly thinking, if cats could talk, would they curse at me in meows or actual swear words?
I think your brain is operating at superhero creative levels.
What about you?
I'm reading and suddenly remember a cringy thing I said 3 years ago and want to disappear into the ground.
Oof, that one hurts. I've been there. Like, why did I say that?
Then I have to stop and self-criticize for 5 full minutes as punishment.
The brain really is an expert at torturing humans. It hates us.
It's not just studying. My everyday life is kinda weirdly funny too.
Tell me, I need a laugh.
Set alarm for 6 a.m.
And
Wake up at 7:30. The alarm is just for decoration, like a houseplant.
it gives you the feeling, at least I tried, huh? Fake diligence?
Exactly. Just the feeling is comforting enough.
What about evenings?
I declare I'm sleeping early tonight, in a serious voice.
And
2 a.m. And I'm still scrolling random videos, like just one more.
we're literally on the same ride. Twins!
You too?
Yep, I open one video, then 15 videos later, I still can't escape. YouTube's algorithm hates me.
The internet is a bottomless trap, but also a lifesaver. It's saved me so many times.
Hey, do you ever think we talk a lot, but never really about anything specific? Just random nonsense, but it's fun?
Yeah. The weird thing is, it never gets boring. Actually, the more we talk, the more I enjoy it.
Exactly. The topic doesn't matter, it's who you're talking to. With you, anything is fun.
That line sounds dangerous, like a line from a romance movie. You're the reason I smile.
Then let's just say we're in a movie, an indie comedy.
What's the title?
Coffee and endless random chats.
A bit long. Audience might fall asleep.
Okay, shorter. 2 professional slackers.
Much better. Poster would look great.
Honestly, I love conversations like this. Super comfortable.
Because there's no pressure. No need to act deep.
Yeah, no need to sound super smart or profound, just random talk is fine.
I feel like it's exactly at times like this that the most real things come out, no filter.
For example,
Like how I used to think I was fine being alone, but I was actually just used to loneliness, like a bad habit.
yes.
Or how you always act cheerful, but sometimes you're tired too, I notice.
You notice more than I thought. Emotional detective much?
I just don't say it out loud, kept it secret,
Now you said it. Secret expired.
because I realized no need to hide anymore. Hiding is exhausting.
If you keep going like this, I'm gonna think you really got the full emotional upgrade. HD version.
Maybe. Automatic update.
But don't upgrade too fast. I haven't adapted yet. I'm still used to the old version.
I'll keep a bit of the old version for balance, like a mix of old and new.
What's in the old version?
Quiet, a bit clueless, and sometimes short replies like, uh-huh.
That sounds so familiar. It's your signature move.
And the new version?
Talks more, notices more, and way more approachable. Cuter.
Sounds alright. I'll compliment myself.
But don't ditch the old version completely.
Why? The old one always gets criticized.
Because sometimes your quiet side makes the conversation more interesting. Like suspense.
How?
Like I talk a long streak, then you reply with one normal sentence. But it hits straight to the heart. Boom!
I call that artistic word economy. Eco-friendly.
I call it systematic laziness in speaking, but it works.
Fine, I admit it.